So there's a strategy on Instagram right now for blowing up your personal brand that is working extremely well. It's helping people grow hundreds of thousands or millions of followers, and at the same time generating tens of thousands of leads, and also printing a whole ton of money if you have the right things in place. So I'm just going to break it down in this video. We've used the same strategy to grow one of our clients to over 2 million followers in under 1 year. I believe at the minute it's about 8 months or 9 months that he's been with us. But we use this exact strategy. He's on track to do over $1 million this year. And so I'll basically get right into it. So the strategy is using a tool called ManyChat. Now, you may have heard of it already, but if you don't know what ManyChat is, it's essentially it's like a chat bot, right? It allows you to automate a lot of functions inside Instagram using different keywords, okay? So for example, if someone comments a specific keyword, you can automatically send them a DM, okay? That's basically the high level overview of what it is, but there's really three different ways that we use this software to really blow up our clients, get them a ton of views, get them more leads, more sales, whatever it is. It's just like an all-encompassing tool that really just helps you across the board with absolutely everything. Now, the thing you need to know is with ManyChat, it's like an engagement hack, right? You're asking people to comment certain keywords, you're asking them to like respond to stories or whatever with a certain keyword, and because you're getting more people to engage with your stuff, then the Instagram algorithm basically just detects that and says, okay, if all these people are engaging, then it must be quality content, and so it pushes you out to more and more and more people. And since you get pushed out to more people, then you get more interactions, and then it's just like this vicious cycle round and round and round that just keeps printing leads and printing sales. So the first way that we use it is in our reels, right? So either halfway through or at the very end of a reel, we'll get the client to say, comment keyword, and I'll send you the link to the course. So whether it's a course or whether it's like a free lead magnet or whatever, you can do either. And basically you'll have thousands of people commenting that keyword, and they're going to automatically, because you set up the automation on the back, they're going to automatically receive a link to the thing inside their DMs like that. And one of the ways that we're using it with the client is to push his course. So at the end of his videos, he says, comment the word and I'll send you the link to the course. And we literally just send them a link to the landing page, and people click on it and people buy it. And we have all of our upsells in there. Inside that same flow, you can also do follow-ups. So for everyone who clicked on the link, you can ask them as a follow-up, hey, did you get the course? Hey, is there anything that I can help you with? And then that basically just gets more and more buyers. A lot of people they click on a link, they click on a landing page, they view it, and then they leave right away, right? So if you have a follow-up in place on that automation, then you can much more easily pick up a ton more sales. That's the first way to do it. And by the way, since you get all those comments on your video, like I said before, it just pushes the video out to more and more people, and it's a life hack for getting a lot more views, a lot more followers, leads, and sales. Like, it literally just helps in every single regard if you do it right. Obviously, your video needs to be good in the first place for people to actually want to watch it and make it to the end, to the CTA, to actually hear you tell them to comment the word. But if you have a decent video and you have that comment automation on, it's really going to make everything a lot easier. The second way that we use ManyChat is in our Instagram stories. So whether we are, again, just pushing people to the course link, to the landing page, or we're pushing them to a lead magnet, a free thing. On the free thing, by the way, whenever we push them into that, we get them to opt in. So we collect their emails, we collect their phone numbers, we collect their names, and then we actually have a setter on the back that's like calling up all those people that have like European or American phone numbers, and we see if we can get them booked on for high ticket. Okay, so we put a story up that has a little bit of copy, we do some like good marketing, whatever, and then it has the CTA, comment this word and I'll send you the link to the course, the free thing, or whether it's to apply for a high ticket. So if you have a high ticket program and you have like a DM setter, or even you just have like an application flow on Typeform, you can tell people, hey, DM me the word apply, and I'll send you the application to join the coaching program. And then you basically have a setter go through everybody, you get people booked on with your closer, and then you close them for high ticket. That's the second way we use it. The first way is on our regular reels. The second way is on our stories. And the third way we use it that I think is a super underrated way is actually on feed posts, on actual just regular image posts. So what we'll do is we'll just recycle a client's content, but instead of just reposting it as a reel, we'll post it again as a carousel. So the first slide is an image that has like a title on it and whatever, and a photo. And when someone swipes, they'll see the video in the second slide. And it's not a reel, right? Because reels will go, if you check out your analytics, like 70-80% of your reels viewers are not existing followers, but people that interact and view your feed posts, your image posts, those are almost always your existing followers. If you look at the analytics of those, it's like 99% existing followers, right? So you're basically using those to retarget your existing followers. And then as the comment, or not the comment, the caption on that post, again, say the word, comment the word X, and I'll send you the link to the course, free lead magnet to apply for coaching, whatever it is. And that's just a good way to get back into your existing followers' feed. And the great thing about those kind of posts is, if they perform really well, if you have a really solid image as your first slide with a good title, a good sort of interesting photo, they can make it onto the Explore page. And photos on Explore pages, they have a much higher click-through rate than Reels, in my opinion, just based on what I've seen. And so if you get a lot of likes on a certain carousel from your existing following, it's going to get pushed onto the Explore page, and then a bunch more people are going to click on it, see the CTA to comment, and they're going to do so, and they're going to get the link to your course, your free thing, your coaching, whatever it is. But really, it's an extremely powerful strategy that if you're not using it, you really have to be. Every single one of your videos should have some kind of comment automation hooked up to it. As long as you have a quality video in the first place, you're going to get an absolute ton of these comments, and that's going to turn into opt-ins, into leads, into high-ticket leads, to sales, whatever it is that you're sending them to. This is just like a no-brainer to do. Almost everybody should be doing this. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that, subscribe. Most people who watch me are not subscribed. I don't get that many comments either, so it allows me to go through and give super detailed answers. So if you have a question about anything at all, business related or whatever, personal branding related, drop a comment. I'll literally give you like a multiple paragraph response. Like the video as well, and like I said, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.